he ordered this piece for the front. It's not wide enough to fit the way it is as far as on the Duraflex bottom, and as you see, it's broke on this corner. So I figured he ordered it because he liked it. So I'm gonna patch it up and cut it in the middle to extend it, and we're gonna use this on that in place of that little black foamy piece that's up there. As you see, it's broke. He used some zip ties to do a little rig work. So I'm gonna try to see if we can't patch it back together. And okay, I got this sand down. I went ahead and sand the whole thing. Guess I'm gonna try to patch from the back to the front. Okay, so I have my little patchwork done. I think that's gonna hold pretty good. Work on getting that sand down. I may have forgot to hit record, but I have it cut. Okay, for placement, it seems, although it's not lining up exactly, it seems to have a bit of a natural flow for placement. So I'm just gonna go with that feel, see how it turns out. I'll probably have a better idea if I put it on the car and then cut it, but just a bold move. Pretty quick. Okay, so I have this piece on, these two. Thought I had it pretty much so centered, but it's off by just a couple inches, I would say. That's my center. It looks like this side is a bit longer. I could cut it back and leave it open, just slant those down, perhaps. Probably wouldn't look too bad. But I'm gonna try to seal it off. And I'm just toying around with some ideas on how to try to seal that, because at the bottom, if you notice, is bowed in just a bit. But what I'm gonna try to do is take this piece of cardboard, put in here, and shape it. do believe I'm at that point. Leave well enough alone. All right, now to try to get this finished off, and this will be it for the bumpers. And to move on to the side skirts, get them smoothed out. And I'm believing that's going to be it, the bulk part of the body work, other than coming back through and smoothing it out. Okay, I have most of the rough spots or the shiny spots knocked out. Like I say, you can feel the contours, the highs and lows in it, but I'm just gonna have to go with this. And for the most part, I like it. I like the way it turned out. I don't think it's gonna look too bad once it's on.